Have you ever found yourself in a financial pinch, wishing you had an emergency fund to fall back on? In 2026, building an emergency fund from scratch is no longer just about stashing away loose change or cutting out lattes from your daily routine. With the shift towards a tokenized economy and the rise of AI-driven gig markets, it's easier than ever to accelerate your savings and create a financial safety net. In this video, we will walk you through 5 innovative strategies that can help you build an emergency fund from zero in record time using the latest financial tools and technology. By using these approaches, you can set yourself up for financial security without making drastic lifestyle changes. 1. The subscription bounty harvest. In today's world, many people are unknowingly paying for digital subscriptions they don't even use anymore. These can range from premium app features to streaming services or AI tools that have become redundant. In fact, 2026 has seen an explosion in zombie subscriptions, services that continue to charge you even though they're no longer benefiting your life. These subscriptions accumulate over time, often unnoticed, and can easily drain your account without you even realizing it. It's all too easy to overlook these small recurring charges, especially when they're hidden among other financial transactions. The good news is that you can turn these forgotten expenses into the foundation of your emergency fund. The move here is simple but effective. Use an AI aggregator tool to track all of your recurring digital payments. These tools will scan your accounts, identifying every subscription and recurring payment you're currently making, including any micro subscriptions that you might have forgotten about. Once you have this list, cancel every single subscription for 30 days. While it may seem like a temporary pause, this approach allows you to clear out the clutter and stop wasting money on services you're no longer using. By doing this, you'll temporarily halt all unnecessary payments and discover extra cash you were previously spending without realizing it. These small recurring payments, such as those for outdated apps, forgotten subscriptions, or even in used streaming platforms, can add up to a surprising amount over time. The result? The found money, which typically ranges between $150 to $300 depending on your subscriptions, can be immediately redirected into a high-yield savings account, HYSA. This immediate redirection of funds gives you an instant boost to your emergency fund without you having to change your lifestyle or make drastic sacrifices. You'll be surprised at how quickly these cancellations add up. And the best part? You haven't even had to change your lifestyle. You're simply making use of the money you were already spending, but redirecting it toward your future. This creates a solid initial deposit for your emergency fund without forcing you to sacrifice anything essential. By redirecting these payments into a locked account, you're kickstarting your savings in a way that's both smart and sustainable. With little effort, you've laid the foundation for your emergency fund, all by identifying the money you were previously wasting on subscriptions you weren't even using. 2. Micro-tasking via AI training platforms. Forget the traditional delivery gigs or odd jobs that have dominated side hustles for years. In 2026, the fastest and easiest way to generate gap cash is by participating in human-in-the-loop HITL AI training. These platforms are designed to pay you for tasks like prompt evaluation, data labeling, and improving AI systems. Tasks that can easily be completed from home in your spare time, whenever it fits into your schedule. The move here is to spend just 30 minutes an evening on one of these platforms that offer HITL opportunities. These tasks are usually simple, involving evaluating or labeling data for AI systems, which can be done with minimal training. While the pay may not seem like much at first glance, $10 to $25 per day, it adds up quickly over time, especially when done consistently. Many platforms offer flexible schedules, making it easy to fit into your daily routine without much disruption. The result is consistent, relatively easy money that can be set aside for your emergency fund. If you automate the transfer of these earnings into your savings account, you could have a $1,000 starter fund in less than 2 months. While it may seem like a slow build, these micro earnings are steady and sustainable, making them an excellent way to build your emergency fund without taking on a second job or making drastic lifestyle changes. 3. Implement Roundup 2.0 with crypto stablecoins. Traditional Roundup savings methods are a common way to put spare change aside, but in 2026, FinTech has taken this concept to the next level. Instead of letting your spare change sit in a low-interest savings account, You can now round up your transactions to the nearest dollar and immediately convert that difference into yield-bearing crypto stablecoins. This isn't just about saving your pennies. It's about making your money work for you. The move here is to link your primary spending card to a DeFi-like, decentralized finance, savings app. These apps automatically round up your purchases to the nearest dollar, converting the difference into stablecoins, which can earn anywhere from 5 to 8% APY. The stable coins are stored in a separate digital wallet, so you're less likely to spend them impulsively. The result is that your spare change doesn't just sit idly in your account. It's working for you, earning interest. The beauty of this system is that it's entirely automated, so you don't have to think about it. But over time, those small amounts will accumulate and grow. By simply rounding up your purchases and letting the app do the work, you can accumulate a significant portion of your emergency fund without any extra effort or financial strain. 4. The self-to-sustain digital declutter. In 2026, there's a thriving market for pre-owned tech, smart gadgets, and smart home devices. The secondary market has become highly liquid, meaning that people are constantly looking for gently used or even outdated tech items. If you have old tablets, smart sensors, modular kitchen gadgets, or other tech that you no longer use, you may be sitting on untapped liquidity. The move here is to use a visual search selling app to scan your home for any unused electronics or gadgets. These apps use AI to cross-post your items to multiple online marketplaces automatically and even handle the shipping labels, making the process incredibly easy. You simply scan your items, upload them, and the app does the rest. The result? A weekend of scanning and selling old items can generate $500 plus in immediate liquidity, which you can transfer directly into your emergency fund. Not only are you decluttering your home, but you're also turning unused items into cash that can start building your financial cushion. This method is an excellent way to rapidly increase your savings without having to make large sacrifices or work additional hours. 5. Leverage cashback stacking via browser AI. In 2026, retailers are competing heavily for your business. And one way they're doing so is by offering massive instant rebates through AI shopping bots. These rebates, combined with manufacturer coupons, credit card rewards, and store loyalty tokens, can significantly reduce the amount you spend on everyday purchases. However, many people fail to take full advantage of these offers. The move here is to install a browser extension that automatically combines all available discounts at checkout. These stacking extensions combine manufacturer coupons, credit card rewards, and loyalty tokens to give you the best deal possible. The best part? Instead of just saving money on a purchase, you can configure the extension to sweep the savings directly into your emergency fund. The result is that the money you save through these rebates and discounts is automatically transferred into your savings account, boosting your emergency fund without requiring any extra effort on your part. The key is to set up the system so that you're not tempted to spend the money elsewhere, but are instead helping it grow with the right tools in place. This method can help you rapidly increase your savings with minimal effort and without disrupting your regular spending habits. There you have it, the top 5 ways to build an emergency fund from zero in 2026. Whether you're harvesting subscriptions, microtasking through AI platforms, or stacking cashback savings, these innovative strategies make it easier than ever to create a financial safety net. By leveraging modern tools, from DeFi savings apps to visual search selling platforms, you can accelerate your savings without making drastic changes to your lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on improving your financial health. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these strategies, or if you have any other tips for building an emergency fund. I'll see you in the next video.